Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a vibrant collection of silk cotton sarees. All these sarees are soft in nature and light in weight. All these double machine soft silk cotton sarees are having a rich zari woven body along with a contrast rich pallu and a plain blouse. The contrast corvée border enhancing the elegance of this collection. And this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 850 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges be very less, from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For placing your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. Also note, our payment mode is through online only. And if you guys wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate WhatsApp groups for silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. If you want, you can join the like of your choice. All these links be there in the description. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.